Smartphones without Google. Huawei has unveiled the flagships of its 2020 lineup of smartphones Huawei P40, Huawei P40 Pro and P40 Pro Plus. Smartphones have side curved displays, which Huawei called the overflow display with a resolution of 2340 by 1080 pixels and a size of 6.1 inches for a younger model and 2640 by 1200 pixels and a size of 6.58 inches for older models. All models use OLED panels with a frame frequency of 90 Hz. All this is built on SoC Kirin 990 5G, an improved version of Kirin 990. 8GB of RAM is installed in all models, and the storage can be from 128GB on the younger version and up to 512GB on the older one. Batteries range in capacity from 3800 mAh to 4200 mAh, while the older version supports wired and wireless charging with a power of 40 watts and also has the ability to reverse wireless charging. Wireless charging power in the Pro version is 27 watts, and the younger model does not support wireless charging. Cameras are the main advantage of the new flagships, and there are 4 of them in the younger model: 50 megapixels, 16 megapixels, 8 megapixels, and 5 in the older ones: 50 megapixels, 40 megapixels, 12 megapixels, and the TOF module, and a 32 megapixel front camera with a depth sensor, thanks which implements a gesture control system above the screen. Separately, it is worth noting that the main image sensor for all models is very large, 1.28 inches, which promises high-quality images in low-light conditions. Huawei reports that the P40 Pro model uses a 10x optical zoom, and the module itself has optical stabilization. Smartphones will be on sale in April and will cost $634 for a younger model and $887 for the Pro model. A senior model will be available later. Smartphones will support a contactless payment system using Huawei Pay. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Peace out.